Hey guys, good morning. How's it going? Just going to do a trade recap on what I was looking at today in the market and my trades overall. So today was another choppy day where I got chopped out, unfortunately. So psychology definitely starting to play a role in my trading in my live trading over yesterday and today since I've been taking a lot of consecutive losses. Um, so this is something that I just have to work on as I continue live. Uh, I'm not down too much on the week. I'm red now about 1.8R on the week after going down 3R today, unfortunately. So let me go ahead and let me just fix this cam structure here so that everybody can see that properly, and then I'm going to go over my trades. All right. So I'm going to start off with the bad trade that I took today on. Let's go ahead and actually put it in the montage. I started off with a bad trade on PDD. So my analysis on PDD, there was some nice volume in it, free market, and I saw that we were holding S4 here on this chart. So I was actually anticipating, for a move downward for a short into this level and a bounce off of it since it was right at the 200 moving average. But that's not what I even played to begin with. What I saw was that as soon as we bounced into the moving average here on 39.78, I went long, but it was off of S3, not S4, because apparently the charts were different. Um, but this is not really where I wanted to take the trade anyways. I wanted to wait for better confirmation, and I thought I had some since we had the buying come in and this long wick. So I went long above VWAP, and I set my stop at around 49.50. So I had a pretty tight stop there. I was trying to go for a decent R to R. But unfortunately, I took the position on this before the candle closed, and it got really spready and waked me out for. So I got slippage on my entry and slippage on my exit. So I took a 1.5R loss there to start the day. And then obviously PDD just it trended downwards nicely after that, but it wasn't. I couldn't short it through CMEG, so that wasn't even an option anyways. So that was my one loss to start off the day. So that one wasn't too good. And then I was watching Oxy and Baba for trades. So my next trade was actually on Oxy. I liked how holding here in the open, but my plan overall was to take it long since we were gapping up here above R4, and I was kind of hoping for a pullback to R4 and then move upwards after this nice decent gap up on the daily. But what happened was we kind of shot up in the open, and then I saw we formed this ABCD pattern on the 1 minute chart. Respected VWAP went long as soon as this candle closed. Um, and then the orders came in, and we looked like we were going to have a really good position here. This put me up probably only 1R. I was actually targeting 58.77, which was this level here that was going to get me around 3.3R on the trade. But then we started to come back down. We didn't really have anything on the L2, but then we were holding R6 and VWAP again. So I decided to go for an ad, and then we pushed up on low volume. And once we didn't have anything else, we couldn't push above this, and we started to come back down. I just bailed at break even for a break even trade on Oxy. And then from there, I decided to take another trade on it when it looked like we were bouncing off of this pre-market level, and then we crossed VWAP. But at this point, I had already taken 3 losses, and my broker had stopped me out because I had put a 3.2R loss overall, and I think I was already down 3R on the street. So I got exited out of this position, rightfully so, because I shouldn't have taken the trade to begin with. And I was kind of forcing stuff to happen today, unfortunately, after the consecutive string of losses. And I took another trade on Baba. Let's go ahead and put Baba in here. Hang on one second. So I was watching Baba for the same reason that I was watching PDD. We were holding S4. We had this nice drop into it. So I was expecting the bounce from it or the break below, but I was banking more on the bounce. So what happened is that we had lost this $100 level in the open, and then I was just waiting for us to kind of sell off more before taking a position in it. And then we kind of just stalled here, chop. I didn't get stuck in that chop, and then we started to come back above VWAP. So I started to think this was interesting because we were holding above VWAP and this pre-market low level. So I thought, okay, if we break above the $100 level, I'll take a position. And then as soon as we broke above the $100 level, we had a lot of orders come in, so I set my stop here. And then there was no continuation in the move, nothing on the L2, and no further big orders to move the price up, so I took a 1R stop there. So that's my day. I took three losses. 1.5 hour loss on Baba. Sorry, not on Baba. 1.5 hour loss on PDD. 1 hour loss on uh, Baba, and a zero point 0.2 hour loss on Oxy, and a break even on Oxy. So not the best of days, but only down 1.8 hour on the week. I'm gonna try and stay more patient tomorrow and see if I can wait for confirmation, because I just have not been getting confirmation as great as I'd like to. I've been getting stuck in a lot of chop, and I need to be able to hold off on this so I can protect profits and also protect my account. Um, I'm not down much, so I'm not necessarily too worried or too concerned. I just have to continue the grind. It's only week one, and I look forward to ending off the week on a decent, well trading note. Thanks for watching this recap, and I hope to chat with you guys soon.